Hey Kai, can you hear me? I want to go to Streamer University. This is my application video. Dang, it's really hard to talk in here. Hold on. You can't even see me.
Hey. What up, Kai? I'm Valentine. My content consists of pranks, challenges, traveling, lifestyle vlogs. I have a ton of content ideas that I wrote down in this book, but it has nothing to do with why I want to go to Streamer University. The reason why I want to go to Streamer University, oh my gosh. The reason why I need to go to Streamer University is because I'm a student first. I'm a student of the game. The game! I am willing to learn. I will be at all my classes on time. On time, the first one in line in that class. And I'm talented. You didn't know that, but I'm talented. I can do a lot of things. Watch, look at this. Kai. Yeah. Look! I can paint too. Look at this. Look at this. Well, you can't have this one because someone bought it, but you can have this one. I'm an artiste. I'm an artiste. I can also act. Watch. I'm a hot dog. In this scene, she will be playing the role of female. Yeah, and I see you looking at my hand too. And I see you looking at my hand. I'm Latina. I play sports, and I'm really competitive.
Just cover me. I'm gonna run and grab it.
Okay, look, we gotta cover her.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Damn. You got two already.
She got with it.
Hey! See? I never miss. I also feel like I would be a great representation for Hispanic content creators trying to make it in the streamer world. I'm ready!
Kai, if you let me in, I will be the best student at that school. I just need a chance. Streamer University.